I am going outside because I just put Nathan and Parker in the snow. And I believe they're now stuck. Hello! Are you boys coming or what? Why? Are you stuck?
Yeah.
How much snow is there? What? Let's go check on them. Is Daddy cruel? Or mean? Hello. Nathan, you hungry?
No.
Hey, who's stuck in the snow?
Can't get out.
Are you stuck? Hey, Nathan, are you stuck?
Yes.
Well, Parker, say something to camera. Are you stuck? Hey, Nathan. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Does that taste good? Parker, you want to eat some snow? Who wants to come out of the snow? No lie, look at how much snow we got. That's my boot. Who wants me to throw him?
Not me.
Want me to throw you, Nathan?
No.
Does that mean yes? And look here? Okay,
No.
I throw you, ready?
No, for me.
Too bad. You volunteered. Okay, ready? Ugh.
No.
Ready?
No.
And, hey, any last words?
No, sit.
I want to throw you. Okay, ready? Okay, here we go.
No.
Ready?
No.
Ugh.
No.
Oh, come on. Park, you want to get thrown?
No.
Here we go. Ugh. Boy, Park, you are stuck. Ugh.
I'm stuck.
I can't get you out. You're going to have to live there. Want me to throw you again?
No.
Why are you whining?
Me.
I want to throw Parker here.
I can't get out.